Australia's incredible arson-firing birds. Did you know that some birds in Australia use fire to hunt? Yes, you heard right. These fascinating birds, nicknamed arsonist birds, deliberately spread fires to force their prey out of hiding. By carrying small burning branches, these predators transform a simple fire into a formidable survival tool. This extraordinary behavior is a testament to their incredible intelligence and adaptation. But at what cost? Discover how these manipulated flames are redefining the balance of Australian ecosystems. Join us to further explore this fascinating alliance between birds and fire. Subscribe and dive into nature's best-kept secrets.